The best-stocked emergency store in your city isn't a high-end survival shop, charging a 400% markup. It's a discount chain most people walk straight past. Smart preppers know Dollar Tree is a goldmine for essential gear, if you know which aisles to walk down. Not cheap plastic toys, medical-grade supplies, water purification assets, and high-value barter items that cost $1.25 today, but will be worth significantly more during a grid-down scenario. Here are 14 items smart preppers are quietly stockpiling from Dollar Tree right now. Let's start with item 14, straight from World War I battlefield medicine. Item 14, sanitary pads. The modern sanitary pad was originally developed as a battlefield wound dressing. Sterile, individually wrapped, and engineered to absorb massive fluid volumes. Exactly what you need managing trauma without medical access. A single commercial trauma dressing costs $10 at a medical supply store. Dollar Tree sells a full pack for $1.25. One of the most underrated emergency medical purchases available anywhere. If Dollar Tree is already surprising you, hit subscribe. Item 13, digital thermometer. Without a thermometer, you cannot distinguish between a minor illness and a life-threatening infection developing in real time. The $1.25 Dollar Tree thermometer is accurate to within 0.2 degrees of hospital instruments. At that price, you should have one in every kit: home, vehicle, and bug-out bag. Without accurate temperature readings, you are making critical health decisions completely blind. Item 12. Unscented bleach. 8 drops of unscented household bleach per gallon of clear water kills most waterborne pathogens within 30 minutes. Direct EPA guidance, not folklore. Scented or specialty formulas contain additives, making them unsafe for water treatment. Since bleach loses potency within 6 to 12 months, the small $1.25 Dollar Tree bottles are ideal for a rotating stockpile that stays consistently fresh and effective. Item 11. Multi-pack lighters. Never rely on a single ignition source. Dollar Tree carries 2 and 3 packs for $1.25. Ignition redundancy for the price of one gas station lighter. Pro tip: vacuum seal these in groups of 3. Butane slowly permeates plastic over years, and vacuum sealing maintains full fuel capacity indefinitely. Distributed across your home kit, vehicle, and bug-out bag means you're never without fire. Item 10. Petroleum jelly. A multi-tool in a jar with indefinite shelf life. Moisture barrier for wounds, leather preservative for boots, lubricant for seized gear. Most importantly, a cotton ball saturated in petroleum jelly burns reliably for 4 to 5 minutes even in rain. Medical tool, maintenance tool, and fire-starting system all in one $1.25 jar. Combined with cotton balls later on this list, you have a professional fire kit for under $3 total. Halfway through, and the next item most people only think of as kitchen supplies. Stay with me and subscribe to the channel. Item 9. Heavy-duty aluminum foil. Functions as a signal mirror for aircraft, a reflective heat shield behind a candle to multiply light output, and basic Faraday protection for small electronics. Allows direct coal cooking without contaminating food. Unlike $5 grocery store rolls, the $1.25 Dollar Tree version provides identical heat resistance and the same indefinite shelf life. Stock multiple rolls across every kit. Item 8. Tea light candles. Dollar Tree sells packs of 10 to 20 tea lights for $1.25. Each burns 3 to 4 hours. One pack delivers up to 80 hours of light. Unlike scented candles, these unscented utility candles won't cause headaches or respiratory irritation in enclosed spaces. They store indefinitely. Multiple packs distributed through your home eliminate the darkness that causes panic and accidents during nighttime outages. Item 7. Cotton balls. Buy 100% pure cotton only. Synthetic blends don't perform the same way. Mixed with petroleum jelly, they become waterproof fire starters. Soaked in alcohol, they function as antiseptic prep pads. Used as a pre-filter, they remove particulates from water before treatment. A bag of 100 costs $1.25 and serves 5 separate preparedness functions. Combined with petroleum jelly, a professional fire kit for $2.50 total. Item 6. Heavy-duty trash bags. Stop thinking waste containers. Start thinking emergency shelter. A 3 ml polyethylene bag functions as an emergency poncho, ground tarp, or rain collection basin. In a sanitation crisis, they are the barrier between your living space and a biohazard situation. Dollar Tree sells 8 to 12 for $1.25, the same price as a single emergency poncho at a sporting goods store. Item 5. Super Glue Multipacks. Always buy multipacks of small single-use tubes, never large single bottles. Once opened, large bottles dry out before the second use. Small tubes let you open exactly what you need for gear repair or emergency wound closure without waste. Cyanoacrylate has been used in field medicine for improvised wound closure for decades when no other options were available. Item 4. Hard candy. Sugar becomes a genuine caloric asset in a grid-down scenario. Hard candy provides immediate energy, treats hypoglycemia in diabetic household members, and serves as a critical morale tool for children under sustained stress. Stores over 5 years in sealed packaging with zero degradation. A $1.25 bag is one of the highest caloric value per dollar purchases on this entire list. Never underestimate what comfort food does for a household under pressure. Item 3. Reading glasses or magnifying glass. Even with perfect vision, you need this in your fire kit. A plus 3.0 or higher lens concentrates sunlight to ignite tinder in seconds. No fuel, no friction, no batteries required. Also allows accurate reading of medication labels and maps in low-light conditions when mistakes carry serious consequences. One of the most functionally versatile and consistently overlooked items on this entire list. Item 2. Duct tape and electrical tape. Having 4 small rolls distributed across your car, bug-out bag, and home kit is operationally superior to 1 large roll sitting in your garage. Duct tape covers gear repair, blister prevention, wound closure, and shelter reinforcement. Electrical tape handles wire insulation and equipment repair. 2 rolls, $2.50 total, distributed for immediate access wherever the need arises. Item 1. Shoelaces and utility cord. You don't always need 550-pound paracord for basic field tasks. Dollar Tree cord handles tarp lashing, firewood bundling, boot repair, and shelter construction without tactical bulk. Burn the ends with a lighter to fuse the fibers, and you have a reliable sealed cordage system for pennies. Cordage disappears fast when people start improvising. Stock multiple sets across every kit you maintain. Preparedness isn't about spending thousands on fancy gear. It's about knowing how to use basic tools to solve complex problems. These 14 items represent some of the highest cost-to-utility ratios available anywhere. Walk into Dollar Tree with $20 today and close half a dozen serious gaps in your survival plan before you leave. If this list changed how you see your next shopping trip, hit that like button and subscribe. Which of these 14 surprised you most? Drop it in the comments below. Stay smart, stay prepared.